Today, I am reviewing the Dreame L60 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let us start with the suction power, which is rated at an incredibly high 35,000 pascals. On paper, that number is staggering, and in practice, it translates to a machine that can pull stubborn debris out of deep carpet fibers that lower-powered models usually skip over. You really notice the difference when it transitions from hard floors to a rug. The motor ramps up instantly, and you can hear the difference in the pitch as it tackles the grime hidden deep inside the weave. If you have pets that shed heavily, this level of suction is a massive upgrade because it ensures that pet hair is not just being brushed around but is actually being pulled into the bin. The standout feature here is undoubtedly the ProLeap obstacle crossing system. This is a genuinely smart solution to a classic problem. Most robots get hung up on thick rug edges or the slightly raised thresholds between a kitchen and a hallway. The L60 Pro Ultra uses retractable legs that allow it to physically lift itself over obstacles up to 3.47 inches high for double-layer thresholds. That is significantly higher than the industry standard. It makes the robot feel much more autonomous. You do not have to worry about the machine getting stuck in a room you have already cleaned or having to come home to find it stranded in the middle of a doorway. Then there is the VersaLift LiDAR system. This is another thoughtful design choice. By using a liftable LiDAR turret, the robot can lower its overall height to 3.5 inches. This sounds like a small adjustment, but it is the difference between being able to clean under your living room sofa or leaving a massive patch of dust behind. It maintains that 360-degree navigation capability while sneaking into tight spaces that other robots with fixed laser turrets simply cannot reach. It maps out your home with a high degree of precision, and because it can get underneath furniture, your actual clean floor space ends up being quite a bit larger than it would be with a bulkier unit. When it comes to the mopping, the extendable mop and side brush are designed to tackle the edges and corners that robots usually miss. Most circular robots leave a small gap of uncleaned floor right along the baseboards because they just cannot reach it. The L60 Pro Ultra extends its mop and side brush out by nearly an inch and a half to flush out those spots. It is a detail-oriented approach that means you spend less time manually spot cleaning the corners of your kitchen or bathroom. The mop also lifts itself over carpets by about 10 millimeters when it detects a change in surface. This is vital if you have a lot of mixed flooring, as it keeps your rugs dry and clean without you having to manually configure no-go zones through the app every time you want to run a cycle. The all-in-one base station is the cherry on top. It does the heavy lifting so you do not have to. It automatically empties the dust bin, washes the mop pads with hot water, dries them with hot air to prevent mildew, and even refills the water tank. This is the definition of low-maintenance ownership. You can easily go a week or two without really thinking about the vacuum at all. The hot water cleaning for the pads is particularly effective because it actually breaks down the grime and oils that the robot picks up during its cycles, ensuring that you're not just dragging dirty, smelly water across your floors. It is worth being honest about where this machine might encounter some friction. One limitation that catches people off guard is the network requirement. It only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. If you have a modern, high-speed home network that is exclusively using 5 GHz channels, you might run into setup issues. It is a strange quirk for a device that is otherwise so technologically advanced, so you should ensure your router is capable of dual-band operation before you commit to the purchase. Also, despite the high-tech sensors, you should still maintain a reasonable level of floor clear-out. While it does handle obstacle avoidance well, no robot is perfect. A stray cable, a dropped sock, or a thin piece of paper can still sometimes baffle these machines. While the L60 Pro Ultra is significantly better at navigating complex environments than its predecessors, it is not a replacement for common sense. The app itself is very polished, providing you with a wealth of information about your cleaning progress, battery status, and map updates. It allows you to customize your cleaning cycles down to the room, setting specific suction levels for your kitchen versus your living room rugs. This level of granular control is great for power users who want to optimize their cleaning for their specific floor types. The build quality of the robot and the base station feels robust. The plastics are high-grade, the hinges are solid, and the whole system has a very cohesive, premium feel. It is a large base station, though, so you do need to find a designated spot for it in your home. You cannot just tuck it away under a tight piece of furniture. It needs airflow for the drying process and physical space for the robot to dock. Who is the ideal buyer for this machine? This is clearly aimed at the homeowner who wants maximum automation and has a difficult, multi-surface home environment. If you have a mix of hard floors and thick rugs, lots of furniture that is just high enough to fit a low-profile robot under, and you simply do not have the time or desire to maintain the machine on a daily basis, this is a top-tier choice. It is a serious tool for serious cleaning. Conversely, who should think twice? If you have a very simple, single-story apartment with all hard floors and minimal furniture, the extra cost for features like the liftable LiDAR and the advanced obstacle crossing might be overkill for your specific needs. You could likely get away with a simpler, less expensive model and still get decent results. Additionally, if you're not a fan of tech-heavy setups and just want a simple push-button vacuum, the setup process for the app and the network configurations might feel a bit more involved than you would like. The performance on carpet is another point to highlight. The way the robot detects carpet, lifts the mop, and then boosts its suction is seamless. It doesn't stutter or pause to make the change. It just continues its path while adapting to the surface. For anyone living with pets, this is a real game changer in terms of how much time it saves. You are not picking up for manually, and you are not worried about the robot dragging a wet mop pad across a delicate rug. It is rare to see a robot vacuum that feels like it has actually mastered the physical logistics of moving around a house, but the L60 Pro Ultra really comes close. It navigates, it cleans, it crosses obstacles, and it cleans itself. The maintenance cycle is remarkably infrequent. When you do have to deal with the dock, it is all very straightforward, the dust bag is easy to swap, and the water tanks are accessible. Think about the long-term value. Yes, it is a significant purchase, but when you weigh that against the hours of manual vacuuming and mopping you are trading away every month, the math starts to make a lot of sense. You are essentially paying for a service that ensures your home is consistently clean. There is something to be said for coming home every day to freshly vacuumed carpets and clean, mopped hard floors without having to lift a finger. If you are a tech enthusiast who loves having the latest features that actually make a difference, you will appreciate the engineering here. Everything from the ProLeap legs to the extendable mopping arms is evidence of a design team that was genuinely focused on solving real-world frustrations. It does not feel like they just added features for the sake of marketing. They added features to make the cleaning process more effective and less intrusive. Take some time to consider your floor plan. If you have those problematic, thick thresholds that have stopped every other robot you have ever tried, the ProLeap feature alone is worth the price of admission. Being able to actually clean every room in the house without having to you'll find that as the days turn into weeks, you start to forget when you last cleaned the floors, which is the highest praise you can give a robot vacuum. It just does its job. You see the clean floors, you hear it working in the background occasionally, and then it quietly returns to its dock to refresh itself. That is the kind of household technology we all want to see more of. It's practical, it's high-performing, and it respects the one thing we can't get more of, our time. It's a very solid choice that makes the chore of keeping a home clean feel like a thing of the past. If you value your time and want a cleaner home with minimal effort, this vacuum is going to exceed your expectations. It's an investment that pays for itself in peace of mind and, most importantly, clean floors. You'll be glad you made the move to such an advanced and capable cleaning assistant. It is a top-tier machine for anyone serious about home maintenance.